In this short tutorial, you will learn how to tag someone on Facebook in the comments. Tagging someone in a comment is a great way to get their attention or involve them in a conversation. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile application and then go over to the post where you want to mention someone. After that, tap on the comment button at the bottom of that post. Now what you want to do next is first type in the @ symbol, and then type in their name just like this, without any spaces. Once you type in their name, all the people on your friends list with that specific name will pop up here. Tap and select the person you want to tag. And then you can type some text if you want to. Then just post that comment. And now they are tagged in the comments of this post, and they will be notified about it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.